Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's often considered the foundation of financial success: investing for beginners. How to start investing and grow your wealth. Whether you're new to the world of finance or looking to take your first steps into investing, this video is your guide to understanding the basics and setting out on a path toward growing your wealth. Understanding the basics of investing. Let's start with the fundamentals. Investing is about putting your money to work to generate returns over time. Whether it's stocks, bonds, real estate, or other assets, the key is to make informed decisions that align with your financial goals. We'll explore the importance of setting clear objectives, understanding risk tolerance, and creating a diversified portfolio to maximize potential gains while minimizing risks. Practical steps to start investing. For those just starting, the process can be overwhelming. We'll break down the practical steps to get you started on your investing journey. From opening a brokerage account to researching investment options, we'll guide you through the initial stages. Understanding the different investment vehicles, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, will empower you to make well-informed decisions suited to your financial objectives. Growing your wealth over time. Investing is a long-term game, and we'll discuss strategies to grow your wealth over time. We'll touch on the power of compounding, the importance of staying disciplined in your investment approach, and how regular reviews of your portfolio can contribute to long-term success. Whether you have a little or a lot to invest, this video is designed to empower beginners on their wealth-building journey. Let's delve into more details. 1. Risk tolerance and goals. Before diving into investments, assess your risk tolerance and define your financial goals. Understanding how much risk you can comfortably handle and having clear objectives will shape your investment strategy. 2. Diversification. Diversifying your investment portfolio is a fundamental principle. Spreading your investments across different asset classes helps mitigate risk. Explore a mix of stocks, bonds, and potentially other assets to achieve a well-balanced and diversified portfolio. 3. Brokerage accounts. To start investing, you'll need a brokerage account. Research reputable brokerage platforms that align with your needs. Consider factors such as fees, ease of use, and available resources for beginners. 4. Investment vehicles. Familiarize yourself with various investment vehicles, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and real estate. Each has its characteristics, risk profiles, and potential returns. Understanding these options allows you to tailor your investments to your preferences. 5. Long-term perspective. Investing is a long-term commitment. The power of compounding, where your returns generate additional earnings over time, is a significant factor in growing your wealth. Patience and a disciplined approach are key to weathering market fluctuations. 6. Educational resources. Take advantage of educational resources available online and from reputable financial institutions. Understanding investment terminology, market trends, and basic financial principles will empower you to make informed decisions. 7. Regular portfolio reviews. Regularly review and reassess your investment portfolio. Market conditions and personal financial goals may change, and periodic evaluations help ensure that your investment strategy remains aligned with your objectives. 8. Emergency fund. Before diving into investments, establish an emergency fund. Having a financial safety net ensures that unexpected expenses won't disrupt your investment strategy, allowing you to stay committed to your long-term goals. Remember, while investing can provide opportunities for wealth growth, it also involves risks. Consider seeking advice from financial professionals, especially if you're uncertain about specific investment decisions. As you embark on your investing journey, stay informed, stay disciplined, and enjoy the process of growing your wealth over time. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for joining us, and here's to your journey of investing and growing your wealth.